What are the odds, Mike? All four meals under $4 going to the same table.
Yep, cooked to order food, tiny little price.
I know. They must be the smartest people alive. I must shake their hands.
How do I look? Hat? You're a hat.
Okay, well, I can sit on one of their heads. They're giant, genius-sized heads.
Hello, geniuses.
Your favorite steak burger meals and even chicken fingers, all served with our thin and crispy fries.
Well, I thought it would be a much tighter fit. Ooh, Mike, that'll help.
Steak and Shake. Life needs flavor.